And after all, it's a dacha, it's not the Taj Mahal.
Счастье вдруг в тишине постучалось в двери. Неужели ты ко мне? Верю и не верю.
Hi guys. Well, I'm at the Dacha and ready to start some work here, doing finishing the cabinets in the kitchen, and we'll commence the work on the linoleum. And so, yeah, that's what I'll be doing today, and we'll see if I can do a good job of keeping the camera rolling while I'm doing those tasks. Have a good day. As usual, I'm going to start by making coffee. And you know what I did today? I forgot the iron to do the ribbon edging, so I'm actually going to have to improvise with my heat torch and try it that way. And remember I told you that the water is good here, so I top up water here and bring it home all the time. So I did forget my iron, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fashion this into a homemade iron, keep warming it up on the stove, and as I'm ready to do the ribbon, I'll clean this tip and run this and use this as my homemade iron. Well, I think I tested the hammer and it's not working so good. We're going to clean that up and trim it and see what it looks like. Hi guys, it's time to make lunch. Time to make some preliminary. It's gonna be awesome. But I have no sour cream. Okay, I may not have sour cream with my preliminary, but you know what I do have? Smoked cheese. Ooh. It's gonna be amazing. And I got lots of spices. Ready, preliminary with beef, some cheese, bread, an apple. Well, it's an evening and I've been working on the cabinets here, so I'll give you a look at where I'm at. I got that one done. I got to do those two doors. And I put a door on this corner sink area. And I reinstalled these doors. Yeah, so all the veneer is pretty much done everywhere. That's all I got for a piece left over. Всем привет, доброе утро. Good morning, hi guys.
I need to clean up the Dacha really clean because I'm going to be sealing the linoleum together. This piece right here is going to connect to the main area linoleum. As well as this morning, I prepared cutting, finalized trimming the piece of the countertop I took out of the sink. And I'm going to put some banding on it and quickly build a end table. So that's what I'm doing this morning. Have a good day. Time to put some banding around this, make a coffee table. Okay guys, well, we're gonna start trying to fuse this together. I've never done it before. This is the glue, type T. Comes with a special head. When starting this, it's figuring out where you're actually going to cut it so the lines sort of look like they blend. I'm not going to be able to blend perfectly, but I need to get rid of one solid looking line so that there's not two lines beside each other. Cut. You can just see it doesn't quite match. Now I gotta lift up the linoleum, lay in some double-faced adhesive tape. I actually procrastinated for a while because I just don't like working with glues like that. I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out. And after all, it's a Dacha, it's not the Taj Mahal.